Hey guys, I'm back. In today's video, I will show you how to make a paper Chucky doll puppet head. Since this video was requested by some people, I thought why not make a video about it. So, let's start.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Before we make the Chucky puppet head out of paper, I will show you the materials we need in order to make this. Materials we need are cardboard, skin colored paper, scotch tape, scissors, blue colored marker, and a black pen. Now I've said the materials, we can now start making the paper Chucky puppet head. The first step is making the head. The head shape will be a cylinder because the eyes and the mouth wouldn't work smoothly if it wasn't in that shape. So in order to do that, you have to cut out a large rectangular and a small rectangular shape from the cardboard and two same sizes of circle as well in the cardboard. Now we did that, do the same process for the skin colored paper. After that, attach the skin colored paper to the cardboard. Now we did that, let's go to the next step. The next step is you draw a face on the cardboard. But don't draw the eyebrows except you add a dot on it. After you draw it, cut out the mouth, the eyes, and the dots from the face. If you've already done those, you can now go on the next step. Now we've made the face and the head. We can now start on how we can make this puppet move. But the first part we're gonna move is the eyes. By making the eyes, cut out just a short cardboard, not too long. No, that wouldn't block the way for it to move, or it still has some space for it. So it can still have space for it to move. So that's why you shouldn't make it too long. And then you take a white bond paper, draw eyes in it. This doesn't really look good though. Yeah, you could also use ball pen and point it here so you wouldn't confuse where the eyes is going. And then when you did that, attach the paper to the cardboard with tape. Here, now you did that, place the eyes here on where it's spotted. And then cut out two short cardboards like this. And place it here so the eyes wouldn't come off when you're trying to move it. And then you just simply tape it like this, so you can now move the eyes. Next thing we're gonna do is, of course, you need to add another cardboard here so it's easy to move the eyes. Like this, you take a piece of cardboard, you roll it like this, then you attach it here with tape as a switch, now to make the eyes move a lot easier without just using your fingers, because it's difficult to do it that way. Like this, here you attach the panel, so it's a lot easier to move. You see the eyes here is moving. After that, we can go on the next step. The next step is making the eyes blink. In order to do that, you're gonna cut out a shape like this on the cardboard, and so as for the skin card paper, and then you attach them together with tape. After doing that, the next thing we're gonna do is take a piece of cardboard, roll it in this kind of shape, and then attach it in here. After doing that, put that piece inside the eyes. Now we can go on the next step. The next step is making the eyebrows move. In order to do that, draw eyebrows in the skin colored paper, then cut it out. After you cut the eyebrows out from the paper, attach it here on the cardboard, tape it, and then cut it out again so you can attach it here on the face. After doing that, take a little piece of cardboard here, roll it again, and then you attach it in here in the eyebrows with tape. Do the same thing for the other eyebrow. Here you go, that's how it looks like. You need to attach it in farther in here, not on the middle, so it will look more natural when you use the eyebrows. Here is you're gonna attach the eyebrows on the face. This is the next step. Attach it like this. There you go. Now you're making me worried, angry, and any expression that you want. After that, let's go on the next step. The next thing we're gonna do is making the map. In order to do that, cut out a shape, only a small shape like this in the cardboard. See if it fits well for the map. And the same shape also for the skin colored paper. And then you tape it afterwards. After doing that, attach this piece. Just place this piece in here, not attach it yet. Cut out 2 small cardboard here, in this shape. Then you tape it so it can be sealed, and so the map wouldn't come off when you move it. There you go. Now we can make the map move. Now we'll go on the final step. The final step is attaching all this together. Like this. You attach, you roll this thing like this, and then you place it here, cover it with another piece on the top of his head, like this, and then you roll this and tape it as the neck piece. There you go. And also, don't forget to cut a hole in this head so you can fit your hand in there. So if you didn't, then you couldn't move the head at all. So yeah, here's the finishing product. If you're concerned that I didn't show you how you're gonna add the hair or how you're gonna do for the body, well, because it's up to you. I'm only gonna show how you're gonna make the Chucky puppet head. That's all. Hope you liked the video. Hope you've learned something from it on how we're gonna make a Chucky doll puppet head out of paper. So I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to be updated for the upcoming videos I will post. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.